If you're seeking that perfect family home, well, this is going to be it. It is light-filled, perfect to grow, but more importantly, it's all about lifestyle. But that's enough from me. Go check it out. It's all about entertainment and the connectivity with the pool, be it in the kitchen, the lounge, or out here on the deck. It's all about lifestyle. So we look forward to seeing you at the next open home.
We'll be right back.